Welcome to the kingdom. Have you ever asked yourself that you need to break the curse of poverty that's over your life? Then this is the place you're supposed to be. This is the place where I teach people of faith how to become financially free. And I will show you how to do it through a business and the stock market. Now, I need you to remember God said, seek first the kingdom, and everything will be added to you. So let's do some kingdom business. The market is about to open in 1 minute. Let's see if we can make our $200. We have a whole nother minute. Let's see the Dow. This is the NASDAQ. It's not moving too much. Let's go over here. It looks like the Dow is up almost 100 points. NASDAQ's up 35. This might be a slow day today. We might not even take a trade today. You do remember when I tell you $200 a day keeps your job away? Now, if you want to take one of those days off, it's safe to say you need $500 a day. You can always have a Friday or a Monday off. Take a long weekend. But let's see what we can get here. It's a few more seconds before the market opens. There it goes. Broke over the VWAP. Let's see what we got on a 5 minute. It's trying to explode on the upside. There it is. Look at that move. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get ready to go on the at 220. I got my 4 contracts ready, and I'm out, or not out. I actually, it took a while. Everybody saw that it took a while to buy it. I'm up $80. Let's see what we can do here. Let's see what the NASDAQ's doing on the 1 minute. There we go. There's 260. There's our 200 for the day. 220, 240. I took a 220. That was a $220 in 1 minute. This is how we do it in the kingdom. Stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Get out there and make your 200 a day. This is kingdom business.